is my new eyeglasses, anti-blue, and then my mom bought it for me. And this will happen the way they will magic. Then when you get out, it turns violet. If you have to erase it, guys.
Pag may glasses, tignan natin pag... Baliktad. Ilagay natin to. Dito tayo sa kabila. Yung wala pang sulat. Testing natin. Huwag mong titignan. Meron ba?
It get off! Yeah. Magical.
It will protect your eyes.
And look, I got another glasses. Minecraft, my favorite. When I just wear it, wait. Guy, oink oink. That's a big face. But I'm real now. What tree? Here came up. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching for this new
Wala mo na
glasses
yung anti-blue light glasses mo.
and those. Bye. Hey, the breakfast is finished. Bye.